Now, are you someone in your 40s? Maybe you're in your 50s like myself, maybe even 60s or 70s. Listen, we have an 80-year-old even in our community who is doing really well with this, okay? But the reason I'm saying this is, do you want to be working until the day you die? Or do you want to take control of your life and start earning passive income so you can make a decision of whether you work for someone else or not? Now, I've been running a small business for nearly 19 years. And for those of you who know me, yes, my name is Darren. I'm a dad. I'm happily married. I have 2 boys. And I've been running a small business for 19 years with my wife. Now, that's a business that requires my time in exchange for the money. Okay, so as soon as I step away from the business stops. So our holidays, vacations are just very much dependent on what's happening at work. And we've had holidays ruined, really, by the business because of something happening. So it's very stressful, which is why I love passive income and the e-learning industry. Now, you just go on Google and have a look what Forbes alone say about the e-learning industry, which they predict to be around 350 billion by 2025. Now, the booming online business, companies globally are using e-learning courses to educate their staff, let alone people who are entrepreneurs learning new skills. So why not get involved with this? Promote a product that's tried and tested, that's in high demand. The 4 digital products in the e-learning industry that I promote even pay you 100% commissions on every sale you make. So with the prediction of this industry alone, seriously, it's such a great opportunity for you. And it's my goal. I really want to impact 500 people in 2024 to change their lives and teach them how to create a system that works for you 24/7 so you don't have to. And you can experience the joy, really. It is really joyous, and so, it makes me so happy when I see one of my customers being able to quit their part-time job after 5 weeks of just starting something like this, which happened this year. Now, it blows me away how many people are hitting 6 figures inside our community. I only joined this in July, and we've increased the numbers from 1,400 to 6,800 members inside the community. So the system works, okay? We follow a step-by-step process. It is beginner-friendly. You don't need to be tech-savvy. You get 100% profit on every sale. You get free mentorship. Now is the time. Make 2024 the best year of your life and join this journey with me. Put ready in comments and I'll send you the details.